Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Bushnell 613510A Rimfire optics scope. If you're looking for an excellent scope for a great price, this Bushnell scope is exactly what you want. It has an impressive zoom range from 3.5x to 10x magnification, a fast focus eyepiece, and a parallax adjustment that makes sighting in every shot easier. It also has generous eye relief at 3.8 inches and comes with a lifetime warranty, so you'll never need to worry about replacing this scope. The Rimfire Optics series delivers peak performance specifically for rimfire rifles. This family features rimfire-specific scopes with adjustable objectives for precision shot placement on small distant targets. A caliber-specific 613510A is calibrated for the hot new 17 WSM cartridge, while a bullet drop compensating turret system makes the 3.5 10x 36mm 613510A perfect for long-distance varmints. Our second best rimfire scope is Vortex Optics Diamondback Riflescopes. This is a great rimfire scope. The scope has a 40mm objective lens that's wide enough to give you a good field of view no matter which magnification power you're currently on. It's not big enough to ruin the balance of your rifle, or require extra mounting options due to size. In fact, switching between magnification settings is easier than ever, thanks to the Precision Glide Erector system. This system helps ensure that every time you switch magnification powers is smooth and perfect without jamming. This effectively helps you be more accurate at long ranges, even with elevation differences between you and your target. It has an easy adjustment dial, so you can set the brightness to whatever setting works best for your own personal preference or the time of day. It also has an extended battery life, so you don't have to worry about losing your dot in the middle of a hunt. If you prefer not to worry about batteries, I recommend checking out my best prism scopes as an alternate option. Let's watch more.
Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics. We're here today to talk to you about the Diamondback Riflescope series. The Diamondback has a reputation in the industry for one of the best hunting scopes your money can buy. The Diamondback comes in various configurations and reticles, which you'll see here. Let's take a minute to walk you through this amazing rifle scope. Starting at the front of the scope, all lenses are fully multi-coated for crystal clear, bright images from dawn to dusk. Going on to the tube, it's a solid one-piece, aircraft-grade aluminum tube for superior durability and shockproof. Internally, the scope is argon purged and O-ring sealed for a lifetime of waterproof and fog-proof performance. Moving on to the turrets, they're metal-on-metal precision turrets that offer the ability to zero reset after sight-in. Again, as we move inside the scope, we have a Precision Glide Erector system which ensures accurate tracking and repeatability. And then as we make our way to the back of the scope, we have a fast focus eyepiece that allows you to quickly get a clear image of your reticle and then very generous eye relief. And that's going to cover it for the Vortex Diamondback Riflescope. If you're looking to stretch your dollar for the best hunting rifle scope that your money can buy, I strongly urge you head down to your local Vortex dealer to take a look at one of these today. As with all of our rifle scopes, the Diamondback comes with our legendary VIP warranty, which is our lifetime, unconditional, unlimited guarantee.
Third in our list is Simmons 32mm rifle scope. This Simmons rifle scope is an affordable scope option for your .22. It has a great magnification range, from 3x to 9x, and the Hydro Shield coating provides a clear picture no matter your shooting conditions. Moreover, the quick target acquisition eyepiece makes it easier than ever to focus your image after changing magnification levels. Finally, the 3.9 inches of eye relief is near the best in the industry, making this an easy scope to use from various positions. The Simmons 22 Mag series featuring Simmons' patented True Zero adjustment system and QTA quick target acquisition eyepiece, the 22 Mag series scopes deliver unparalleled performance bar none. Each 22 Mag scope comes complete with a set of Rimfire rings to get you up and mounted in no time. Finish, black matte field of view. This Riflescope belongs to the feature-rich, ruggedly built Simmons family of scopes. Shot after shot, hunt after hunt, these scopes deliver stunning on-game performance, reliability, and value thanks to fully coated optics and a complete set of mounting rings. Number 4 in our best Rimfire scope list is Barska AC10380 Plinker 22 scope. This Barska .22 scope is an excellent option in the intermediate price range. While it doesn't have as many features as premium choices, it does come with a lifetime warranty and can get the job done. It utilizes a 3x to 9x magnification range and has clear and bright optics that make lining up and taking every shot easier than ever. Keep in mind that this scope has 3.5 inches of eye relief. While that's a decent amount, it's not as much as some of the better options. Overall, it's a good but not great scope that comes with a lifetime warranty. So, if you're tired of replacing your scopes but don't want to spend a ton of money on a top-of-the-line option, this is an excellent choice. The scope comes with 30-30 crosshair reticle for easy targeting, ideal for any type of shooting. The scope is parallax-free at 100 yards, making it easy to target at closer range. Our last pick is Truglo Compact Rimfire Scope. If you're on the hunt for the best Rimfire scopes for 22 LR rifles for the money, then you've come to the right place. This is an extremely affordably priced scope with an illuminated reticle. No matter the conditions, you'll be able to see the reticle, and you even have 2 color options that you can cycle through. While this is an affordably priced scope, keep in mind that you only have one magnification setting to choose from. So, if you're shooting targets at varying distances, this might not be the scope that you're looking for.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!